Oftentimes when I wax a vehicle, I use an orbital sander.
Oh, hi, Ty.
Hi.
I figured I'd put you in the video. Want to do the intro?
Welcome back to Turn 5. And today we're ceramic coating a 2008 Cayenne GTS.
There we go. Well, I got you here. Oh boy, this could be really dangerous. I apologize for all this shadoodle. Awkward high five. Okay, so like Tyler said today, we have a new product, Chemical Guys Hydroslick Ceramic Coating Hyperwax. It's not much of a process different than waxing your car. First, we're going to give the Porsche a bath. We are going to clay it to get all of the micro contaminants off, and then we are going to try this Hydroslick Ceramic Coating Hyperwax by Chemical Guys. So I guess today would be like a review of the application process of the Chemical Guys Hydroslick Ceramic Coating Hyperwax. Not a paid product placement, but Chemical Guys, give me a call if you'd like to, and we'd be more than happy to set something up. Let's get it going. The key to keeping a professional shine on your car is to do the least amount of cleaning possible. Just like that, she's clean. What we're going to do next is pull her into the garage, dry it off a little bit, and start the process. Make sure if your car is abnormally dirty that you do clay bar it, but my car is generally always really clean and it's really smooth. Let's go on, see what happens next. Okay, so now we got her in the garage. We're gonna dry her off real quick, and I'm really excited for this process. Look how shiny it is right now, even with it being a little bit wet. We're gonna pull it out in the sun after, and hopefully we are gonna have an amazing shine that only a ceramic coating can give you. I don't want to forget to mention that you need to do this in a cool, dry place. Your garage, perfect. The astute home detailer might wonder, why did I spray wax my car before I'm going to ceramic coat it? I do it because it's part of my process, and it's all about adding layers of protection. So if you want a shiny vehicle that is always clean, layers of protection. Let's see how the ceramic coat works. Oftentimes when I wax a vehicle, I use a buffer, but today we're going to apply it by hand. We're going to use this microfiber cloth for the application and this microfiber cloth for the buffing. And we're going to put 2 to 3 dabs of the ceramic coating Hyperwax on. We're going to do a panel. We're going to give it about 2 minutes, and then we're going to wipe it off to a shine, and we'll see how it looks. We'll do the whole car and reveal how good or potentially bad this product works. All right, we're going to put 2 to 3 dabs on here. About that much. We're going to spread it in nice and evenly, circular motions. You can see how it is applying. Like I said, I'm doing 1 panel at a time. I can see it very well. It is kind of going on like glass. All right, I'm gonna put a couple more dabs on. As you go through and do your different panels, you're gonna need less and less on the microfiber microfiber applicator because it's going to be soaked in. But the first panel or two, you might need to add a little bit more. Make sure you got a nice even coat here. Let that sit for about 2 minutes. Okay, now in the same circular motions, we're gonna buff it out. I can already tell that this is amazing. And more than that, I can tell that it's probably not gonna come out on camera quite like it does in real life. Take your time. Apply a little bit of elbow grease. Okay, I'm gonna take you over here. See how he looks. You can tell how nice that looks in comparison to that. I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but it is quite a bit nicer. So now, we're gonna do the rest of the car. I'll take some pictures of it, let you know how I think it works, and we'll move on to the next project. All right, so I am completely blown away with the Chemical Guys ceramic wax. It was absolutely phenomenal to see the immediate change. What I will say is instead of applying it in swirls and buffing it out in swirls, I applied and buffed in straight up and down lines. But it has just transformed the way that the already sparkling and shiny paint appears. I am just beyond, as they like to say, tickled with the outcome. What I will say is 100% recommend Chemical Guys ceramic coat. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Here's our clip from the ending awkward high five. Make sure you click like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you ask questions if you have any. I know this wasn't super comprehensive and in depth on the video portion because Tyler left me, so I had to do it all myself. But I'll give you one last view of this beauty. Oh, and before I forget, what you want to do is you want to keep it all the elements for 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to keep it out for an entire day. Put it in the garage, park it away. Take care, you guys. Till next time, we'll see ya.